Hello and welcome to the Sound and Light Healing Temple here in Olympia, Washington. We have known for a long time that light, universal light and frequencies can bring human healing. We know that putting sound tools on a body or singing can actually change your cellular structure. Because essentially we are geometrically finely tuned beings. But you most likely are a little bit out of tune with your actual highest harmonic profile. So we have created an environment that can help you go back into that zone of balance, living from your heart. Take a look at the room that we have created, where we are now holding sacred circles of attunement through sound and light healing art. Hello and welcome to Sound and Light Healing Arts. We have set up an entirely new type of venture here in downtown Olympia. And it is simply a sound and light healing arts temple. Teresa Billenberg and I got together and she said, why don't we make your workshop space with lovely lighting? And of course we discussed how frequencies are nourishment for the human body, and that people could sit in a bath of relaxing, harmonizing, actual inaudible tones while they are in this space. And then I've had years of using my voice and instruments to direct the frequency flow. So we will invite participants to come and sit in this delightful, harmonically tuned space and get a tune-up. Actually go through very simple frequency processes just by being present in the room, and we will bring in some intentions and help you set your intention so that after sitting, after a brief induction into this temple space, you will be releasing or imbibing a new frequency field for your well-being. And yes, it is that simple. They've been doing this since ancient times, and we are applying new technology, and we are doing it with full awareness that we can guide through our will, intention, and consciousness using these sound and light tools to tune up our emotions, our physical body, and our mental processes. So we can meet in a small sacred circle, tune ourselves up, have some nice discussion afterwards, and create new communities and eventually an entirely new social structure of people who are in tune and tuned up to their own connection with Divine Source. So I hope you join us soon. I am Jan Jorgensen at Sound and Light Healing Arts, and Teresa Bielenberg and I have entered this venture to invite you in to transformative sacred circles. Thank you.
Body chemistry to know that you're there. So we have a synthesis of ourselves, and then when we add something cosmic to it, then we become part of that cosmos. It lifts us out of that chaos. That is the big thing that we're knowing now, that why we live in a state of divinity, and that's why we can have cosmos instead of chaos.